Hello, I'm Alex. I'm 20 years old. I've always loved mysteries. One autumn day, while hiking in the forest, I stumbled upon a hidden path. The path was narrow and covered in overgrown vines. It was barely visible. My curiosity was piqued. I decided to follow the hidden path. It twisted and turned through the dense forest. The trees were tall and ancient. Their leaves created a canopy above me. Sunlight barely reached the forest floor. As I walked, the path became more obscure. I wondered if I should turn back, but my adventurous spirit urged me on. I heard the sound of running water. I followed the sound. It led me to a hidden waterfall. The waterfall was breathtaking. Water cascaded down into a clear blue pool. Moss and flowers surrounded it. It was a secret paradise. I felt like I was the first to discover it. I sat by the waterfall for hours. I listened to the water and the birds. It was peaceful and serene. I felt a deep connection with nature. This hidden place was magical. When I returned to the main path, I kept the secret of the waterfall. It felt special to have a place that was just mine. I promised myself to return. The hidden path had given me a precious gift. From that day on, I looked at the world differently. I realized that sometimes the most beautiful things are hidden. We just need the courage to find them. I was ready for more hidden paths and more discoveries.